Hello, English learners! Did you know that some of the best English speakers never studied grammar books or took boring lessons? Instead, they learned English through music. Sounds too good to be true? Well, think about it. How many times have you found yourself singing along to a song without even realizing it? Music makes words stick in your brain without effort. It teaches pronunciation, rhythm, and natural expressions in a way that textbooks never can. But there's a right way and a wrong way to learn English through music. If you do it wrong, you're just singing along. If you do it right, you'll start speaking fluently. Let's break it down.
You're watching the Monday Motivation series by English Ears, your weekly boost to keep you going strong, not just today, but all week long.
1. Why music works for learning English. Think about your favorite song. You probably remember the lyrics, even if you haven't heard it in years. That's because music creates strong memories. Your brain connects the melody with the words, making it easier to remember new vocabulary without forcing it. And the best part? You don't need to memorize. Your brain does it for you. Have you ever caught yourself singing a song and realizing, wait, I didn't even try to learn these words. They just stuck. That's the magic of music. It repeats words and phrases in a natural way, so they stay in your mind without effort. But just listening isn't enough. Here's how to turn music into a powerful English learning tool. A. Choose the right songs. Not all songs are good for learning English. Some are too fast. Some have slang that even native speakers don't use. And some, well, let's just say they're not exactly polite. So what should you look for? Songs with clear pronunciation, everyday phrases, and stories that make sense. Beginners should start with slow, easy songs to get used to the sounds and pronunciation of English without feeling overwhelmed. Intermediate learners should listen to songs with natural expressions that reflect how native speakers actually talk in daily conversations. Advanced learners should challenge themselves with fast-paced lyrics and storytelling songs to improve their fluency and comprehension skills. B. Don't just listen. Sing. Listening helps, but singing is what makes a difference. When you sing along, you practice pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Start by listening to the song without reading the lyrics to get familiar with the melody and overall sound. Then, read the lyrics while listening to understand the words more clearly and recognize how they fit with the music. Next, sing along slowly while focusing on pronunciation and trying to match the singer's tone and rhythm. Finally, challenge yourself to sing without looking at the lyrics and see how much you remember. You'll be surprised how quickly you start remembering new words. C. Learn the meaning of the lyrics. A lot of learners sing along to English songs without knowing what they're actually saying. Don't just memorize. Understand! Take the time to look up words and phrases you don't know so you can expand your vocabulary and understand the song better. Pay close attention to how native speakers express emotions in songs, as it helps you learn how feelings and ideas are naturally conveyed in English. Notice how words connect in natural speech, since many English words blend together in songs just like they do in real conversations. D. Repeat. Repeat and repeat. Repetition is the secret to learning. The more you hear a song, the more familiar the words become. Pick one song and listen to it every day for a week so that the lyrics become natural to you over time. Sing along until you no longer need to read the lyrics and can confidently sing the song from memory. Pay attention to how your pronunciation improves as you get more comfortable with the words and rhythm of the song. When you can sing a song effortlessly, you're not just learning English, you're truly feeling the language. The best songs to learn English by level. Beginner, slow and clear pronunciation. Imagine, John Lennon, slow, simple vocabulary, deep meaning. Count on me, Bruno Mars, easy phrases, friendly tone. Can't help falling in love, Elvis Presley, classic, poetic, slow-paced. Intermediate, more natural expressions. Perfect, Ed Sheeran, smooth pronunciation, everyday phrases. Firework, Katy Perry, motivational, great for pronunciation practice. Just the way you are, Bruno Mars, simple yet natural expressions. Advanced, fast-paced and challenging lyrics. Viva la vida, Coldplay, storytelling, complex sentence structure. Love story, Taylor Swift, fast but clear, rich vocabulary. Lose yourself, Eminem, clean version, great for rhythm. So, can you learn English through music? Absolutely. But remember, just listening isn't enough. Sing along, learn the meaning, and repeat. That's how you turn music into an English teacher. Your challenge this week. Pick one song, follow these steps, and practice daily. Let me know in the comments which song you chose. Let's make learning fun together.
Oh, and before you go, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to English Ears for more inspiring stories, practical tips, fantasy adventures, and motivation to help you on your English learning journey. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.